Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is Wednesday, 21st, I think. 21st, June 21st, 2023. Took the day off yesterday. Hope all is well. I'm going to Tarrytown, New York, which is by the Tappan Zee Bridge. It's the last town before you go over the Hudson River. But anyway, it says no AC or not cooling properly. That's what it says. So we'll see what it is. I believe it's a 2-zone system. Single air handler, 2 zones, serving both floors. But that's what the history says. I've never been to this house. Let's check it out. That's it. I hope everything's been well with everyone else watching. Let's check it out. This sign coming up is weird. It says, "Shame on Ossining Development Killers, 2 years, no permit." I guess if that place has been sitting like that for 2 years. This is the town of Ossining, New York. So, past the gas station, it was $3.49 regular for 87, and 93 was $5.29 or some shit. Yeah, like look at this one, $3.69, and then for $4.59. But still, that's $1. It used to be like, I don't know. Is that price gouging or not? You guys tell me. I guess maybe not, because they don't sell tons and tons of. Here, look at this. Look at this. $5.89. Oh, no, that's diesel. But still, regular unleaded, $5.29, bro. Come on, dude. Town where I'm pulling into, I think Bruce Jenner went to elementary school here. Tarrytown, New York. I don't really care about stuff like that, but pretty old town. It's like the legend of Sleepy Hollow. And this is Route 9, so if you take this street, this route, all the way straight, you'll end up on Broadway in Manhattan, which is like 50 minutes straight. I guess before the highways. I don't believe in mailboxes or numbers on their houses. Talk about frustrating. Literally, no mailboxes. Tried. Somebody changed their filter. Just a little. Are running. Common Y, calling there. Common Y, I'm calling. calling. That's an R. That's an R. Zone 1 R. That's actuating. That's good. And this one here, if I take out R, will close too. Yep. Let's go to the condenser. 74 degrees out of the supply. Old. 2017. China. Testing this capacitor. They're good for a couple of years. But the ones with the colors, the carrier makes 45.7.5. Guarantee it's bad on the Herm. Three. Let's check the fan. The fan's good. Compressor's bad. Or the contactor. I mean the capacitor. As we know, this one's made in China.
Yeah.
And then this one is brand new out of the box. And it's supposed to be 7.5. And what do we have? We have 6 point something out of the box. So we're gonna go with it. Oh no, now we got 7.4?
It's 7.4.
Oh, okay. It was 6 point something before. That's
Like
great.
your blood pressure. You take it every time, it's different.
And then
You want to try it again?
this one here is gonna be a Herm. Supposed to be 45. And we have 44.7. That's good. Okay. We got 220 standing. So this thing's gonna be good, but let's wait for it to kick on. I'm gonna get him some brass caps. 2017. It's a mix match with that Lennox inside. Just started. We'll get some caps. Let this run a minute. 17. We're looking for 8 degrees, so cool. You can see that. But it's right. Set right there. This thing's dead on, I believe. Might be 2 degrees over the 8 degrees, but I'm not worried about that. I had 3 degrees, it's 11 subcooling. Not worried about it. I got 120. What might you bet? Yeah, good. A little high on the charge, but it is what it is. It's fine. Degrees before at our supply. Let's check it now. Okay, I'm just gonna check this supply temp, okay? Oh, yeah. Six and dropping. What's that temperature, the room temp on that thermostat?
75.
75, there's your 20 degrees right there.
75 says 65.
Yep, you could bring it up to what, I'd bring it to 70 for now. And then if you want to lower it later, go ahead. and then on the upstairs zone as well.
Upstairs.
Actually, the upstairs zone, if you want to keep that a little cooler than
Does it
this
fall
floor,
down?
because it'll cool, the cold air will drop. The cool air will drop.
Yeah.
You'll save money that way too, and because it's a zoned system, it'll be more efficient because we're trying to cool the whole house down right now because it's so hot. That's beautiful. And then I just set the fan to on. I'll put the auto. Oh, 75 in here, okay. I'll bring the 73 for him. Fan to auto. 74 degrees when I got here, coming out of the vent. I said 63 or something. That was just room temp air because that capacitor. Crazy, it's cray. What you want, son? Wake up. That's the public enemy. Enema. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That was an easy call. I mean, I thought it was going to be something with the zoning because he has, in the history, it said last year that one of the zones was not opening, but the technician was able to get it to open. You know, he didn't disconnect it, so it was normally open. He got it to open, but recommended they replace it. They never replaced it, but it was working fine. So then you saw the rest. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.